See that light? That's coming out. I never really put the bumper back because I got to take it off anyway. So I'm going to take these guys off, get the part numbers, and see how I get fog lights in this thing, because I guarantee you don't have fog lights for this fucking thing. I mean, excuse me, this freaking thing. So let's take these puppies off. Look, that's a 25. Look, they changed it from 2017 to 21. So I'm taking this bumper off. And that headlight out. So let's start with the hood. I gotta show you how to open that. Then don't watch the rest of the video. So there you go. We're gonna pull this guy open. You know the deal. Open that guy up. And we got plenty of push pins. Let's take them all out. With that, so after 822 push pins, which pop the center out, pop them up, we have more push pins. You like that, right? Which I don't think you have to remove this one because there's a bolt right there. Bolt, 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 bolt. And Michael Bolton for the headlight. But that's for later. So, let's continue on. We turn the wheel. If I have to tell you how to do that, please stop watching this video. And we have 8 mils. I think they're 8 mils. Let's double check. Gotta love the Americans. So yes, it is 8 mil for this one, this one, this one, this one, and that one has to be removed too because it looks like it's connected. So there you go. You see, it's still connected. But now we have another 10 mil right there, somewhere. Focus. So let's get that last one out. It's got a little handy dandy. I like this thing. Amazon. Look how cute this thing is. I think it was like $6. Thank you, Amazon. Let's get that puppy out. Amongst, I'm sure, all the other bolts on the bottom. Cute, right? See? It's cute. You can get the rest of it by hand. Once you pull all the... Come on, get out. You can get the idea. I mean, I'm not sure why they're so long if it's only holding up felt. But, whatever, dude. So, we got this side out. See? It's completely out. Now, let's get the 10 mils out. Why so long? I think this one's for the headlight. The black long one. So we pulled it out anyway. But I'm going to pull this push pin out anyway. So, put them in a safe place. A little late, but it's okay. There's a little indent. Go all the way around. There's a little indent. That's where you push this in and pull the center out. I bet you're probably mad at me, but I didn't show you this earlier. Haha. Last 10 mil on this side's out. And we're going to keep going. Let's turn the wheel again. Same bolts. And same tools. Let's get to work. 8. You like that? It ain't going nowhere. It's going right there. You get the idea. Now that everything on top is out, let's go see what we need on the bottom. What are those? It's like 10s. Nope, those are 8s. Let's get them out. With 2, 4, 6. I think that's all of them. Let's start pulling and see what happens. Unlike most bumpers, you pull from there. Because what happens is, there's clips usually behind this. Now, I can pull this way. Let me see if I can get a tool to help me. The tool did not help at all, but they are just clips. So I just pulled. And it looks like it's about to come out. Look at this. Ooh, you see how they just pull? Looks like everything's out. Look, we got plenty of wires. Seriously? Ugh. See what happens on the other side. Pull. Tools don't seem to help though. Alright, so here's what I found to be easier. There's a little black tray, sort of like from where, oh, let me go on this side, too much glare. Where the bolt was sitting, It's like a, you see, it's like a little tab. You can sort of pull down, and that'll help. It locks into here. The tools don't really help other than your tools. So let's get this puppy out. It's starting to come out. You see? Now will it come around the bumper? Let's see. Or do I have to pull the grill off with it? Let's see. Grill comes with this puppy. Pull up and around this guy. See that little ledge? That's where this guy goes up around. Now, let's start unplugging these guys so this thing can fall on the floor. As you just saw. So, we got plugs. How many? Don't know. But, looks like there's safety clips, as usual. So, it wants to come out. There we go. So, everything should be connected, yes. So, everything over there runs all the way around to this puppy right here. So this puppy right here is your main brain slash harness slash unplug and get it out of the way. And that is your front bumper. Let's get this guy off with either your bare hands or a tool, which stay. So with gnawing at this clip, you pop her out, and let's move this puppy because I think I just took the bumper off. So with the bumper out of the way, that looks very hard. We're gonna pop this guy out. I'm sure it's gonna reveal something. Come on. So Chrysler figured, okay, we're gonna put a 10 mil here and a 10 mil here, which I already loosened up, and make sure they don't get switched through, because one is bigger than the other and different than the other. Okay, sure. Put them in a safe place. See that? There you go. Now, I don't think you can remove it because, look, they figured, you know what, if you can get past that 10 millimeter, we have a push pin for you to help hold this in place. So I guess this helps so it doesn't fall out of the frame. I don't know, but let's see if that's all you need to get this puppy out. So with both hands, so this thing doesn't go flying and crashing on the floor. So I'm pulling and tugging, and you always want to do it gently, Wesley, gently. And I come to find out there is an 8 mil all the way down there holding the light in. So let's get that puppy out. So with the light out, good thing I did it, that's because I dropped the bolt. And I also dropped my socket, because I don't have a socket that long. So I just made one. See that? So as long as you get the light out in your hand, you'll have no problems finding the bolts and the nuts that fall, and there you have it. So here's the part number of this puppy. And I'm going to assume that I'm going to take the other one out to show you the part number of that one as well. So that's the driver's side. Let's go get the passenger side, see if it's the same. It is most definitely the same, but this one has two harnesses. One here, and one on the other side, over by after you knock your head. Right there. So let's get them out. Look, they're twinsies. Drivers and passengers, because it's an R. So, they're the same. Put them back. Look at this. I like it. I love it. I'm gonna put it in reverse order. Should I show you? If you come this far, you can do it yourself, dude. You're the one who took it apart. I'm just gonna show you the end result. Alright, so the only snag you might run into is that headlight part has to go up and over. See, it goes a little, you see it? So you want to sort of play with this so it goes up and over, and everything else will just line right up. So you're going to want to hold it in place as you bolt it in place. Make sense? Good, makes sense. Want to make sure this line matches nicely. So let's put it back. So I figured out what this is for. It's actually a guide. You see? So it actually makes sense to pull the bolt out first and then this. because it relieves the pressure. Make sense? Good. Makes sense. So, ow! You see? See how it lines up? That's the whole point of this push button. So there you go. So if you want to be like me and use basic tools that you have laying around, this side, you ain't getting your hand in there. See that? So this helps with gravity. So we're going to screw that puppy back in. See? Done. Now you pull the socket out. Here's your tape. You didn't use the other socket. This puppy is nice and tight. See that? Moving on. Oh, and most importantly, don't forget these little push buttons. Yo, yeah! Let's put the bumper back. And since you took it out, you can put it back together. So if you want to hang around, I'll say sayonara. But let's put it all back because it's right there. Middle sort of goes in first, and these puppies go on top. So technically, you don't have to remove this. But really, this is what you're going to complain about? Those two little push pins? Push here firmly. And this will go back into place. And you have to align these up and push these puppies back in. One hand, nah. Two hands, most definitely easier. So do the same thing on both sides. See what I mean with this? Push firmly. This puppy will close off. You will struggle with this if you took the headlights out, because they will not go perfectly back the same way this was originally. So with something like this and some hand motion, look at that. Perfect. Same over here. Bolts, all the bolts. You've stayed long enough. So put it all back, same way you found it. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.